it's kind of hard to tell that people are on Earth. You don't see that much evidence of humanity.
But at night, the same view tells a different story. It's easy to see how populated our planet really is, and how many of us have gathered in towns and cities. Now you can spot famous cities like Amsterdam, Brussels, the capital of Russia, Moscow, the vibrant cities of Japan, Osaka, Nagoya, and Tokyo, beloved Rome and Naples.
Italy at night is very moving because it's incredibly bright. It's a densely populated country, of course, and so you can really see all the cities, and you have this very distinct shape that you can very definitely see at night as well, of this boot reaching into this darkness of the Mediterranean. This is just overwhelmingly beautiful.
The undulating ribbon of light is the Nile River, illuminated by people drawn from the desert to its water. Cairo gleams like a jewel in the delta's crown. To the left, Israel and the cities of Tel Aviv and Jerusalem.
I think one of the most amazing sights I saw with my eye was coming across the southern United States, Florida, into the Caribbean Sea, through the Bahamas at night with a full moon. And you could see the colors, the aqua colors in the Bahama area, all the way down into, through Cuba, and then Dominican Republic, Haiti, on into Puerto Rico, and then the Virgin Islands beyond that. Oh my goodness.
Fishing boats really stand out at night, especially in Asia and the Andaman Sea and near Thailand. There's a bunch of green fishing boats. During the day, you can't tell there's people in the ocean down there, but at nighttime, there's lots of folks fishing. You can see that.
I can see where I was born. Murfreesboro looks like a little diamond below Nashville. North of that, Louisville. Of course, Indianapolis, just beyond there. Pittsburgh. And then looking to the left, you can see the Great Lakes and, of course, the cities of Green Bay, Chicago. You can see Cleveland evident, Buffalo, and then further up the East Coast, coming to Richmond, Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York. Long Island sticks out, just absolutely gorgeous. Boston, Cape Cod, very visible, just absolutely beautiful. And then, of course, the cities across the border, Toronto, Ottawa, Montreal, Quebec City.
Astronauts often remark that you don't see any national borders from space. But there are exceptions. The strand of orange light dividing the view is the border separating Pakistan from India.
Wish that there weren't issues, but there are. We have different ideals and different mindsets, and it causes us to have the border. That is sad.
The most noticeable border at night is between North and South Korea.
Seoul, South Korea is one of the brightest, most vibrant cities on the planet. The whole South Korean country is lit up, and then there's this line of the border in this complete darkness of North Korea with a few little white lights where Pyongyang is. But there's a similar number of people on both sides of the border, and you can really see the difference between how people live.
By moonlight, the Gulf of Mexico and the great cities of Dallas, Houston, and San Antonio. The landscape around them is ablaze with thousands of oil and gas flares. To meet our ever-increasing energy needs for the future, we'll have to develop new energy sources on a far larger scale. And one of them is our own sun.